na inweta this video, because metụ m aka na share button ka ịtụsara m ozi a. This is an open letter to my sister. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Nwanne m nwanyị. Even you when I made this video because na aman na o nwere ike mkpọrọ na phone. Oge. Mare pick na call him. But I know that you are going to see this video. I know that you are not exactly whom people think that you are. I know that inside you, beside everything that in the mother will I know that inside you lies that person with a very good heart. And okay, I know you have a very good heart. I know sometimes somebody may be pushed to the wall. I have been in that position before. I cannot claim not to understand your plight. I cannot claim not to understand your pain. And I cannot claim not to understand your anger. Even though that sometimes while we are trying to express our anger, just like I always say, ewoli iwe na ashu oke wesiu n'ọkụ. Achusho oke ahụ echigatakwazie rebuild over the house. All these things I said is just to prove to you that I really understand your pain. I understand your pain. I cannot claim ignorant of that which you are complaining. Makana si na ebe nwata na ebe akwa atụ aka. Nne ya nọ he, nna ya nọ he. We all have made mistakes. We all have said a lot of things. But I think my sister, Nukunwany, Agowany, I think this is really the right time for us to shield our sword. I want you to calm down. I want you to calm down. Butuo, and I make you fan. Buy industrial fan. Buy 100 AC around you. One. Butuo, I know very strongly that you are not who people are thinking you are, because inside you lies that heart that feels compassion for another human being. If not because of that, you cannot use because of komuwanye yarije na agba akuna, komuwanye yarije na ele oto ha, ko young girls di ha nwuru yarije na agbaghari eje agbaghari akuna. Iwe mepe a tailoring academy, ewe na asopụta a lot of women na empower ha. Onye nwere ezigbo obi cannot do that. Onye nwere ezigbo obi cannot organize people to build a hospital or you dedicated to the mother. We put a plot of land in Kenya, a well hospital. Onye nwere ezigbo obi cannot do that. There are a lot of things that has happened where you have been called upon to respond to a certain need of people, and you responded without even knowing that person. I know that deep down your heart, you are a good somebody. You have shedded tears na Facebook. Only when you will be ume. Only when you will ajobi. Only somebody who feels that she has been wounded, she has been betrayed, and the people has conspired greatly against her. That is the only way somebody will burst her out in such anger. I understand, my sister, but I think at this particular time, this is the time to say, let it go. Ese umana wena young, ejine mana wena young, ana metim wena young. Nwanne nwaanyị ezibota nwanne nwaanyị mfụrụ n'anya, ezibota nwanne nwaanyị mfụrụ n'anya, ọkarịsịa nwaanyị. Butuo, allow it to go. Allow it to go. Let time heal everything. Onye mejolo gbagalo. Onye mejolo gbagalo. And by onye mejolo gbagalo, I am talking about both sides. Because I know people go out of their ways to say all manner of things just for either a defense against or a defense to, or whatever you can call it. So at this particular time, we don't even need to start counting. Let us pack all of them and throw them away. Let there be peace. Matthias Nando Tue, that they have succeeded in jamming them like this. May they not celebrate. Let that celebration they are having be cut short. And so I want you to know that it is still the same people disguising themselves, manipulating people, using people. They are still the same people, appearing in different sizes and shape and different colors. Let us not allow these guys to think that they are smart. Let us not allow them to take advantage of us. Let us not allow them to distract us. Let us not allow them to take us away from what we are focusing on. Remember, like I said, they are still the same people. They are still the same people. Those are not the genuine fans of Jpac, in case if we don't understand. Let it go. Si Agukozina. Agukozina. The other side, the side of Jpac. Si Agukozina. Let everything go. And I beg all the people from both sides. Then I say right on. Then I say right on. Bikonu, for the sake of peace. For the sake of peace. Let us allow this thing to go. Let us allow this thing to go. Let us allow this thing to go. Ejimat of Iwe. Way throw away every avenue of peace. I said, let nobody call me again. I have been receiving all manners of call, phone, every minute. Mufodu Munna then outside Nigeria and call her with 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Call will do too much. Even from people we cannot resist. Even from people we cannot say no to. The thing is becoming more, I don't know what to say. Please, Antioche, I am pleading to you, pipe low for now. Please, let us shield our sword. Let us give peace a chance. Let us not allow the enemies to rejoice over us. They are rejoicing and they are making it very impossible for peace to have a chance, so that they can be able to continue in the evil they are doing. Let us not be ignorant of their devices. Let us not be ignorant of their devices. Yes, maybe all of us has a few go hot or are in with one grievances or the other. But I think at this point, it is very necessary that we put all of them behind. Let us move forward. I am begging you, my sister. I know that you are a good. I know that inside you, there is that love inside you. I know. Forget about what everybody may think about you. Forget about how everybody may feel about you. But you know that people like us know that human feeling. And you feel pain. You shed tears when need be. You have done that severally. You have done that even on a screen to show that no biya can be mad. Forget about what people are thinking about you. I want you to shield your sword. See your eyes block no be. Let there be peace. Let peace reign. I am saying this and I'm making this appeal from the deepest part of my heart. I felt anger the other day by the conduct of Jpac after he fall off from the peace accord. But all the same, I think at this point we cannot afford to do anything rather than to maintain peace so that things cannot still keep going out of. A lot of people are receiving stones already, and we can't afford to continue in that way. I plead to you, Antioche, let this go. Let this go. Let this go. Forgive and forget. Onye mejọrọ nya gbaghalụ. Onye mejọrọ nya gbaghalụ. Maka na gụkọba. I don't think there is anything we can do. This is my appeal to you because I know that Auntie Oge, if I call you on phone now, you may not pick my call because obviously you may know why I am calling you. But let it go. Let it go. Let us give peace a chance at this particular time. Let us not forget that the real enemies are still out there and not what we are seeing now. This is my open letter to you, and I know that the Oge that I know that the Oge that I know, not the Oge that people are talking about, but the real Oge that I know, the real Madononime which I know, because I have seen and I have put it to test and I have confirmed. I know that this message will appeal to your conscience. Bikonu, ndeni neno na nko na say, let it go, let it go. Say no wogwa, say no wogwa. Onye buru nwanne ya ahodogu. Onye buru nwanne ya ahodogu. Let there be peace. Onye ona maintain your boundary. Jpac, respect your own boundary, so that others will respect their own boundary. And Oge, let us maintain our own side, so that Jpac will maintain their own side. Let it go. Let there be peace. This is my own passionate appeal. For Ndebiale Kono here, don't forget that Ekohono here, I will block you instantly. Because now, let me leave it here. Daron.